Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to create a Google Sheet step by step using the latest 2026 method. Whether you're using Google Sheets for work, school, budgeting, or organizing data, this beginner-friendly guide will help you get started in just a few minutes. Let's get started. First, open your favorite web browser on your computer or laptop. Then go to *Sheets, Google.com*. If you're not already signed in, log in with your Google account. Once you're signed in, you'll see the Google Sheets home page. To create a brand new spreadsheet, click the *blank spreadsheet option with the plus icon. Google Sheets will immediately create a new, empty spreadsheet. At the top left corner, you'll notice the default name, usually called *untitled spreadsheet*. Click on it and type a new name for your sheet, such as monthly budget, student records, or anything you like. Your changes are saved automatically, so there's no save button to click. Now you can start entering your data. Click on any cell and begin typing. Press *enter** to move down to the next row, or use the arrow keys to navigate around the sheet. You can add text, numbers, dates, formulas, and much more. If you'd like to make your spreadsheet easier to read, you can format your data using the toolbar at the top. Change the font, adjust the text size, make text bold, change colors, add borders, or align your content with just a few clicks. You can also insert additional rows or columns by right-clicking on a row number or column letter and selecting Insert Row * or Insert Column ***. One of the best features of Google Sheets is that everything is saved automatically to your Google Drive. As long as you're connected to the internet, you never have to worry about losing your work. If you want to share your spreadsheet with someone else, click the **share ** button in the top right corner. Enter the person's email address, choose whether they can view, comment, or edit the file, and then click *send**. And that's it. That's how you create a Google Sheet in 2026. As you can see, it's quick, simple, and perfect for beginners. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our latest tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.